Hey guys, let me show you unboxing of OPPO A80 5G. This one comes from European distribution. So let's quickly take a look on the box where you can find the simple design. Right here the phone model, on the right side there's nothing, at the top some QR code, at the bottom nothing special, but right here we've got some information, the storage version, the information about the charger. So we should actually use from 10 to 45 watts, but inside there is no charger as you can see, and the coral is moonlight purple. So let's remove this seal and let's find out how it looks. What you can find inside: the card box. Inside we've got the cable, USB-C into the USB-A, this SIM tool, the quick guide, safety guide, nothing interesting, and that's actually everything from inside. And right here we've got the phone, which looks like this. Shiny phone with the plastic bag. Okay, this is like, what the hell? When I press here, it's actually bending. Take a look. I'm not sure if you can see this. Take a look. There's like space between this back cover and all of this stuff inside. And I'm just touching this gently, like, what if I actually press on it harder? I don't know, that's not good actually. But the color, it's nice, I like it, honestly. The shiny edges, I mean the frame, the power button, probably with this fingerprint sensor, the volume buttons, at the bottom the speaker, USB-C port, microphone, headphone jack, SIM slot, and at the top nothing, no AR blaster. And by the way, on the screen you can actually find a factory installed screen protector. Now I'm gonna turn it on, and also I will check whether we have the dual SIM slot, where it was at the bottom. Now on the left side, at the left top corner. There we go. So right here what we can find, the input for the memory card, but also input for the two SIM cards here and here. So yeah, there's the dual SIM. We got the ColorOS right here. That's how the screen looks. And yeah, that will be all. The quick unboxing for you. If you are looking for some tutorials, you will definitely find them on my channel. So please see you in the next one.